breakfast potatoes. I got my red potatoes, green bell pepper, white onion diced up. I have some olive oil heated in the pan, and first I'm going to add the peppers and onions. Let those cook a little bit. Just gonna give them a nice toss to make sure the olive oil is evenly spread around. And we'll just let them saute a little bit before we add in the potatoes. So now it's time to add the potatoes. You can see they're a little bit starting to brown a little bit. If you like your onions and peppers less well cooked at the end of the dish, then you can go ahead and add in the potatoes when they're just slightly turning translucent. So I'm going to add in the potatoes and add some garlic powder, salt and pepper. Papa, mommy's talking. Give it a little toss and then let them cook. I try to spread the potatoes out so they're evenly in just like one layer. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. You want to kind of get a little crunch on the outside while soft on the inside. So there's the finished potatoes. Okay, so now that I have my potatoes, I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to try to make some naan toast sticks. What I'm going to do is cut the naan into maybe, I don't know, slices and soak it in a mixture of soy milk, vanilla, brown cinnamon, and grill it, and then we'll see what happens. This is freestyle cooking. Trying to make something vegan happen here. So you can see it was a little bit hard to turn these over. I had to coax it a little bit with this spatula, but they're looking pretty good so far. I'm excited to see how this is gonna taste. This one's split. You know, naan is like usually pocket bread, but the rest of them stay together pretty well. So I probably have my heat up a little bit too high, so next time I try this, if I try to perfect this mess, I might try a little bit of a cooler pan. But so far, I'm really liking it. I'm going to heat a little syrup in my little jar so I can dip my toast sticks, and they're almost done. Here's the finished product. Let me give it a taste. I'm gonna do a little dip. It's good. Crunchy on the outside. Yummy on the inside. This is definitely a win. You have to try it. Only other thing I did was cut up a little avocado, little mini fruit salad, and there's my vegan breakfast / brunch. Happy New Year!